4, 5, 6, 7 more races. 7 more. We're looking at 1 hour, 18 minutes, and 37 seconds before we complete. Rough guesstimate. All right, we need court marshals, please. We need some help. Scott stepping up. Nice to see. He can't do it by himself, though. Danny Mack stepping up. I don't think so. I wish it's up to Brian, but I don't think we can. I think we need all adults. Tori, and we need one more quarter marshal, please. One more. One more. One. Right over here. You the man. All right, the order is going to be Brian, then Jeremy Bowman, then Jeremy Foss, and then John Randolph.
What's up, camera? All right, keep it clean.
All right. Hang on 1 second.
Thanks for coming out.
All right, quarter marshals ready. Drivers ready. B-Main Stadium Truck winners going to the show. You are going to go on the horn in less than 5. Oh, wheelie time on it. Jeremy Bowman, he's showing the horsepower. Wanted to put the pressure on Brian Dammit early, letting him know what is up.
Come on, Jeremy. Stay away from that wall.
Oh, he's out of here. Jeremy Foss exiting stage left. Brian Dammit out front. Jeremy Bowman right on his heels. Oh, Jeremy on his heels onto his lip. That's going to let Brian stretch it out a little bit. Brian, Jeremy Bowman, Jeremy Foss, John Randolph in that order. With a minute down, 5 to go. Drivers minute down, 5 to go in this B-Main Stadium truck. Brian Dammit looking to make it to the A-Main to take on his nemesis, his arch rival, the Cape Crusader over there, Danny Mack. Oh, your leader hung up. That's going to put second place right there. We got a battle for the lead now. Jeremy Bowman right there. Brian Dammit out front in the blue and white. We got a minute and a half down, 4.5 to go. Brian Dammit stuffs it. Jeremy lets him back 5. Nice, courteous driving. John Randolph in the middle of the whole thing. In a bad spot. Oh, Brian made it by. Jeremy Bowman tossed it a little bit, but he is not that far behind. Jeremy Foss right there as well. Two down, drivers, 2 down, 4 to go. Brian, Jeremy Bowman, Jeremy Foss, John Randolph in that order. Brian Dammit out front. He has been leading this thing since the drop of the horn for the most part. Down, 3:20 to go. Drivers Brian, Bowman, Foss, and Randolph in that order. Halfway, drivers 3 down, 3 to go. Dammit, Bowman, Foss, and Randolph. Fast lap going to Jeremy Foss at an 18.9. We have a battle shaping up again for the lead. Brian Davin out front. Jeremy Bowman wants it. John Randolph unfortunately issues again. 3.5 down, 2.5 to go. Brian Davin out front, Jeremy Bowman right on his heels. Bowman definitely the faster truck. Brian's been keeping it smooth and steady. Jeremy found himself on his lid a few times. We got a good battle shaping up. Bowman all over the back of Davin. Davin told me he's not feeling it. Jeremy Bowman's feeling it. Jeremy Bowman with a move underneath. About blew the stickers off Davin's truck when he went by. Jeremy Bowman now out front. Bowman, Davin, Foss in that order. Randolph hung up. Back out on the track. And now Jeremy Bowman with a lap on Foss. Oh! John Randolph said, "Hey, Jeremy Bowman, how you doing?" Completely unintentional. No harm, no foul. 120 to go, drivers. 120 to go. Brian Davin better go. Oh, Jeremy Bowman on his roof, your leader, getting it wrong. Brian Davin back around. We've got a minute 10 to go. I have a feeling we are going to have a battle again. If Bowman can get there, he doesn't overdrive it. No need to overdrive it. And there he goes overdriving it, just like I said. Keep it calm, keep it calm. Plenty of time up. You got a minute to go, minute to go. You are the faster vehicle. Brian Davin, though, smooth and steady, steady Eddie. 40 seconds, drivers, 40 seconds to go. And here comes Jeremy Bowman with 25 seconds. Brian Davin's truck not handling all that great, pushing a little bit. Oh, your leader! Jeremy Bowman! This is going to be it. First one back to the line is going to win this. Jeremy Bowman has it right now. Brian Davin right there. Brian Davin taking a swing at Bowman. Bowman needs to make it over this last couple turns. And it looks like Jeremy Bowman's going to get it right. Oh, Brian Davin took a swing. Jeremy Bowman's done. Davin's done. Randolph's done. And Foss is done. Jeremy takes it down 19.615 to Brian's 19.616. About a half a second separating. Jeremy Bowman's going on to the A main.